Word on the street is it ran when it parked. They drove it in here and parked it here.
Okay, let's go get some wheels and a jack. Alrighty.
Today, I have a special surprise for you guys. I am actually going to pull out 2 vehicles. I have 2 vehicles that have been sitting for over 20 years that I need to recover. They're not in the woods or anything weird. They've just been sitting for 20 years. There's trees growing around them and they haven't moved. But that is not my specialty, so I made a call.
Hi. What can I help you with today? What color is it?
Hot pink.
We don't have any parts for hot pink. 4-wheel drive, air conditioned, Corvairs.
Dang it. A few days back, I was able to get a couple of these vehicles out of the way, and it was a lot of work. But here they are hiding. So if you don't believe me, they haven't been here for 20 years. Look at the size of these trees when they parked them. There was no trees here.
This looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
Like, considering.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty amped up about it.
So what's the game plan? We gonna cut the trees down or just snake it out of there?
Well, my hope is that we could just snake it out.
Okay.
And put the jacket up, put wheels and tires on it, and just pull it straight out. Drive the...
Is this the Suzuki?
Yep, that's the sidekick. Drive the Jeep in here, and then maybe just winch it out 90 degrees, and then back up, and then see what we can do.
The hardest thing that we're going to be doing today is not crawling all over this place looking around. I love places like this. Too, in a 1989, 89, have the same lug pattern.
Right? Look at the old flathead Thor power. I haven't even done this. There's a potential we could get it running.
Okay, if you lose interest on this project, I know a guy that will take it off your hands.
I'm not losing interest on this project. Sidekick tire. The great thing about buying a vehicle from your friends at an auto parts store is that if we need parts or tools, I think they'll have them.
Somebody right now. Who do I feel like that now? Colin?
The bare minimum.
Bare minimum. Okay.
Remember how lazy I am?
See how sketchy we can get.
I'm ready to pull up that.
Probably just gonna pull the Jeep over.
Well, pull it forward so we're pulling. Pull forward so we're pulling more straight too.
Okay.
Trying to roll the window down, Tucker. Right there. Got a strap? Something?
You know what? I do. You want to see what strap I keep in the back of this? I keep one strap in the back of this Jeep. I hear they're good.
Yeah, look at that.
I haven't even got a chance to use it yet, so.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Yeah, well, it's a new to me
Not
Jeep.
that often. Yeah.
I don't do recoveries for a living. Why do you think I called you guys for this one?
We're gonna have to get creative here. You want to go under this winch line?
Oh yeah, probably. I just kind of sitting up there. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. We got some movement.
All right.
Oh yeah. Sidekick power. This is why people don't like that I like Suzukis and Jeeps. This is why I do. Suzuki, Jeep, they all interchange now. Well, time is it? It's tool time.
You can't be doing dad jokes, all right? My dad does dad jokes all the time. Sometimes I get Tucker's dad jokes.
That's what we have to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. One day you'll be a dad and you're gonna be like, you know, I gotta throw out some jokes today.
Yeah, no, that's never gonna happen. I will not put my kids through that.
I'm more worried about what's going on in here than anything.
Fat kid power.
You ready?
Oh, that didn't feel good. See this spare
Yeah.
tire?
Yeah.
This spare tire is awesome. We just need those. Is that me? Oops. My pocket. Well, I did ask him, being a parts store, I did ask him if he had some left-handed lug nuts. He said he did, in case we needed them. Yeah.
So for those of you that are like, hey, where's your impact? Where's all the correct tools? This is how the real world does it, right? Like, this is how we do it.
Well, I'm just proving that I'm just as prepared as everybody else.
Oh, Colin, you're gonna need to go in there and steer it.
Hold on. 20 years at least. I mean, the plates are from 1996 or 92 or whatever I said, so.
That seat is not bolted down.
My way.
Right.
Grab that soft back one. Might as well put it to use. MattsOffroadRecovery.com.
Shameless.
My way is a little. Sorry, passenger.
You just smacked a finger?
Ah, yeah, they're cold too. The weight doesn't help.
Yeah.
Like, are you loosened up?
Take it off for a minute. Keep coming, keep coming.
I'll tell you what we learned here today. Having the correct tool for the job is not important, but having the right tool for the job is. We didn't have the first one, but we did have the second one. So on this particular Jeep, there's several cars that do this. They're a lefty-tighty on the driver's side.
Yep. Left side, left-handed
And
threads.
if you've ever left all your lug nuts loose and drove off, this side will always fall off first if they're right-handed threads. So that's why they did it. Like, you can drive 1 mile further with these left-handed lug nuts loose than you can if they were right-handed.
Just 1 mile though.
1 mile. A lot of effort for 1 mile, in my opinion.
A lot of crushed souls anyway. I'm totally nerding out on this spare tire. Try to suck it in real quick. I just want to see if the brakes work. Nope, just look at the floor. I mean, it's just paint. Lots and lots. There's some rod though. This thing has been red, yellow, green, blue, and probably every other color of the rainbow. One down, one to go. Now what I didn't realize is I have a tree here blocking the front and a tree there blocking the back. In case you're wondering how tight that little spot is, I mean, there's my arm. That's not very big. I can't believe a Jeep actually got to live life right there for so long. You can see how long it sat in the ground. It was up to the axle. So I think we're gonna have to cut down a tree.
I think so too.
Because we got a tree here and a tree there. So you say the easiest one probably be this one. We just blinker and go.
What do we got? We're cutting it down.
Oh, high quality tools, my friend.
Oh, look at that. Here, let me see that. Colin!
You want? I can get
I got something really fun for you to do.
Gnaw or like gnar? Like gnar.
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 Gnar. Get it, Gnar after it, Colin.
You can just get on it and just bend it over and break it.
Theoretically, with these ramps up behind it, I don't even have to strap the rest of it down.
Theoretically.
Just kidding, DOT. All right, we got them out, got them loaded up. Let's bring them back to the house and see what we can do with them. Perfect. So we got it off. We got some extra brain power with my dad here to help see if we can actually get this thing to fire off. But we checked the oil. The oil actually looks pretty good. It's already been converted to 12 volt at some point, which is a plus. And the radiator's completely empty, but we have a guy. All right, moment of truth. Got the Optima hooked up. Oh, no way. No way. No way. Yeah. Why'd you do that?
Because there was nothing hot to touch.
Yep.
Opening and closing?
Yep. All right. See if I guessed right. I think I did though. Yeah. Thank you, Suzuki, for donating more parts. Yeah. Donating more parts to this Willys. I mean, realistically, should I just make the whole world mad and put a Suzuki motor in a Willys?
We've got problems here.
Like, you sunk my battleship problems, or just?
No,
Okay.
I just don't know what I'm doing.
Oh. Well, welcome to the club. We meet on Wednesdays.
Where do you meet?
Fitting.
Nothing's open.
Not in Custer.
So if you come to Custer on a Wednesday, don't expect to get in anywhere. 20 thousandths is the gap we're looking for. I feel like
That
That's
ichrometer show about 20 thousandths there?
feeling pretty good about that.
Yeah. Sidekick's gonna supply this thing today. And I'm gonna make people love Suzukis as much as you and me do now.
Yeah. In case you didn't know, I love Suzuki's now. I drove one up Trail 15 and now I gotta have one. Well, at least we got gas leaking everywhere. Where's your fire extinguishers?
Oh my gosh, look at the carburetor. Well, I gotta say, some days are just awesome, and today was one of those days. To be able to go out and pick up a Jeep and a Sidekick, have your friends come help you get it, and to be able to have your dad experience it with you, getting it running and starting. If you guys like to see more of this Jeep, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Well, we got them out.